Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a clean with me video. As you can see, this is my daughter's room and it is I don't know what to call this. A mess is an understatement, but I have been doing a lot of shopping recently for her, for us, and a lot has been coming in, nothing going out. So this is the result of that. All of this is new stuff. I might do a mini haul in the middle of the video, but a lot of things are fitting her shorter or smaller. That's a bin that I got from Target for like $4. This will house her summer stuff or things that she will be wearing in the future, and then the rest will just go in this pull-up box, and then I'll categorize it: shoes, things that are going to be thrown away, and things that are going to be donated. So I got my coffee here, I got my water, my music, and let's attack this room. This is the before. Yeah, it's a mess. I don't even know where to start. I'm so overwhelmed. But let's do this together. This was my New Year's resolution, is to declutter all of my house and stop buying so much crap. And by doing that, at least I know what I have and what she has, and just because especially for my daughter, I cannot tell you how many times I would clean her room and I find things with tag that she's never worn. I've actually found a couple of things just in the past 5 minutes, and that's very sad. So I'm gonna declutter everything, maybe make an inventory for what she has for the summer, so that I'm not just buying things to buy things. So if you enjoy these types of videos, just keep on watching. Picked up. This is like a small haul, toddler's haul. What I picked up recently, they had on Macy's.com, they had a sale for these very cute dresses that actually come with their jackets. I don't know if you can see it from there. Let me back up a little bit. So this is what this looks like. It's just a dress that looks like that. And then like a very lightweight jacket that's the same design and material, and it just comes with this furry color like that. I just thought this would be beautiful for her 4th birthday. Her birthday is mid-September, but I don't know, she goes to a lot of birthday parties and whatnot, and I thought this would be a great piece to have. This was on sale on Macy's. I can't remember how much this was, but I want to say it was around $35 for both pieces, which I thought was great. And then next I just picked her up some PJs for next year. They were also having a sale on Macy's.com, and I thought, why not? I picked all of these up in size 4. This is what the pants look like. They're just kind of those Christmassy PJs. These are so soft and cozy. These are always good to have as backup. I know I'm gonna need them anyway, so why not have them? Why not get them while on sale? So that was one. And then these are so good. These I've been buying her since she started walking. These are the thermal sets. These are Target. I got these at Target. I got these at 4T because the 3T ones they're just starting to show wear and tear. These are usually $10, and I found these for $7 on clearance, so I picked her up. Oh, these are a little dirty, but that's okay. I can go ahead and wash these actually now. So yeah, they had them in gray, black, and pink on clearance currently. If you can find any, definitely get them. These are great for winter. I sometimes just put these on her to lounge around in, or I put them underneath her clothes when it's really cold, and they are great quality. So I just picked up 2 because these are the 2 I could find in size 4T. She has a few of the 3T. So that was that. And then I just got her this beanie. This was from H&M. This was also on sale for $5. This is just great since you can secure it here. So I thought this would be great for next winter, or even this winter. It's a little big on her, but I kid you not, every year I buy her hats. You would think that hats will not get smaller, but they do. I got her one from Zara last year for full price, but I loved it so much. Let me show you it actually. It's so cute. So I got her this from Zara last year. I think it was $15, which is way more than I want to spend on a hat for a toddler. And I got it so big on her back then, and this year it doesn't fit her full head, but I'm having a hard time letting it go because it's so cute. So I got her this one. She's swimming in it right now, but I'm sure it'll fit her for next year. And then I also got a couple of just pajama sets for her. They were also on sale. I think these were like $8 or $6 for both sets, which I thought was a great deal. I think, yeah, it was like $8.50 or $8.99 or something for both sets. And then I also got her these. These are just repeats from Primark. She had these also. They were only $4. I used to get her these from Carter's for like $15 or $16. The same exact ones. They're actually right here. I just folded them. They were in laundry. So these were, I used to get these from Carter's, and they are very pricey. I just like to put these under her sleeveless dresses, and they just look warm and put together at the same time. So I found these in Primark for literally a fraction of the price, and I picked her up this one in beige, and I couldn't find black, so I got dark blue, same exact thing. But these are very useful. I use these repeatedly on her, whether I want to put a jacket on her and I don't want to put too much underneath, or like I said, she has a lot of sleeveless dresses, so these go great with them. And then I just got her a pack of underwear that I ended up washing. So that was it. So as you can see, we made quite a bit of progress. My donation bin is overflowing, as you can see, so I'm gonna have to find another box to put the rest of the donations that I'm gonna pull out of this closet. This is her hair stuff that I organized in this box. These are her bulkier items that don't fit in the drawer, so I'm gonna try to put them in the shelves over there. These are her jacket that need to go down to the mudroom, and this is trash so far. So let's go ahead and attack this side of her room. Alright, so it is much later in the afternoon now, hence the lighting. Oh my god, I'm huffing and puffing because I just got upstairs. It may seem like an easy process on camera, but trust me, this took me like 4 hours. But this is the ending result. I just put some of her Moroccan shoes on that mirror just as a display and art, like a decoration. We got this dresser out of Home Depot. I don't love it. I certainly don't love these. I'm going to change them to crystal ones eventually. And then that's just her laundry basket. This is where I keep all of her hair tools. And then some more extra toys here. And then this mirror I will eventually hang up there. That was her when she was a baby. She's actually playing in the hallway. I'm eventually going to paint this white just so it goes with the theme of her room. Her sheets are clean. She doesn't really sleep. Sophia, please. Okay. She doesn't really sleep here. She still sleeps with us. Yes, I know. To each their own. So yeah, she just comes in here to play. But I didn't vacuum just because I am so exhausted, and my husband offered to vacuum tomorrow, so that's fine with me. This is what her closet looks like now. It's much less cluttered. That's what it looks like. And this is what I ended up with. This bin has her summer clothes and things that just don't fit her now but will in the future. This bin is mostly new things with tags. I'm still gonna go through this. They're all going to the basement. That bin is donate, donate, donate. Those are just things that are in great condition that just don't fit her anymore. That's all trash right there. And then this, like I said, I'm gonna go through and maybe just gift the items that have tags, and then create another bin just for donation and one for gifting. This will go inside. Let me just do this right now. So yeah, this is the final look of the room. That thing actually is super cool. It's battery operated, but if when you turn all the lights off, this reflects stars and the moon on the ceilings. And then her dad just got her this. This my sister got her for her first birthday. And then her dad just got her these small tiny lights that you turn on. Once all the lights are off, it just looks so pretty. But this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this kind of videos, and if you're not decluttering, you should. I bet you there's a lot of things that you don't know you have that are hiding somewhere. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.